Can you actually make money from forex trading in 2026, or it's just another scam? Are people actually making money from trading, or they're just selling dreams? And most importantly, should you even bother to learn forex trading in 2026? In this video, I'm going to tell you the honest truth about forex. No hypes, no fake screenshots, and no motivational nonsense. What's going on, traders? My name is Sam Keys and I'm the CEO of Freedom Tradehouse. If you're new here, this channel teaches real forex trading education. No gimmicks, no lies, and no fake promises. I've been trading forex for over 6 years and I've seen people succeed, I've seen people fail, I've seen people quit their jobs, and I've seen people quit forex trading completely. So when I talk about forex, I don't talk from theory, I talk from experience. And the question I get every single day is forex trading still profitable? Is it saturated? Is it too late to get started? Is it a scam? Can beginners still make money? So today, I will answer all of that honestly, not emotionally, not motivationally, but realistically. Part 1, the big lie about forex. Let me start with this. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If that is the reason you came to this video, then you want to pay attention and hear me very clearly. Forex is not easy. I repeat, Forex is not easy. If it were easy, everyone would be rich. Forex will punish you, it will humble you, and it will expose your weaknesses. People don't fail because Forex is a scam. They fail because they came with the wrong mindset. They want fast money, they want easy money, and they want magic. Forex is a skill-based business, and every skill requires time, practice, patience, discipline, failure, and learning. If you are not ready for that, then Forex is not for you. Part 2, how Forex really works. Forex is the exchange of currencies. That is, the exchange of dollar to euro, or naira to dollar, or euro to pounds. The price of currencies move because of inflation, interest rates, economic data, wars, news, liquidity, institutions, banks, and algorithms. Not vibes and not feelings. Your job as a trader is not to predict, your job is to align with it. Part 3, who makes money and who doesn't? Let me be honest with you. Not everyone can make money from forex trading. I repeat, not everyone can make money from forex trading. Forex will test your patience, your discipline, your emotions, and your ego. And that is okay. People who make money are not smarter. They are more disciplined. They are patient, they are consistent, they accept losses, they manage risk, they don't overtrade, and they don't revenge trade. Revenge trading happens when you lose one trade and then you get angry and then you enter again without thinking. That is literally how accounts die. People who fail are usually greedy, emotional, lazy, impatient, and entitled. They want results without work. But Forex doesn't reward entitlement. It rewards discipline. And always remember, the goal is skill, not excitement. Part 4, what it really takes. To succeed in Forex, you need 3 things. Number 1, skill. You must understand market structure, liquidity, entries, exits, stop loss, and risk to reward. Number 2, psychology. You must control fear, greed, impatience, ego, and overconfidence. Number 3, risk management. Your objective as a risk manager is to protect capital. Professional traders ask, how much can I lose in this trade? Gamblers ask, how much will I make? Before executing any trade, you want to ensure that you know exactly how much money you are risking on that particular setup. This is more important than strategy. You can be wrong and still make money, but you can be right and still blow your account. Part 5, how long does it really take? Now, most people want to hear you can start forex trading and in 30 days, you should start making money. Most people want to hear you can start forex trading and in next 7 days, you can start copying on signals and making profit. That's a big lie. In fact, that is a heavy lie. Realistically, it takes 6 months to 2 years, and that is if you're very serious. And always remember, skill first, money later. I say it again, skill first, money later. In the process of learning forex trading, there are about 3 phases that every trader must go through. Phase 1 is the learning phase. This is where you watch videos, you read, you practice, you blow your demo account over and over again, you feel confused and you get overwhelmed. At this phase, you even feel you know, but the truth is you don't. Now, phase 2, the break-even phase. This is the phase where a lot of traders end up quitting. You win some, you lose some, and you feel like you are stuck. You are not losing, but you are not winning. This phase builds discipline. And finally, phase 3, the consistent phase. This is where trading actually becomes boring. You do not overreact, you follow rules, and you do not pause trades. This is where the real money comes. Not excitement, but boredom. Now, let's talk about how much you can really make from forex trading. Let's talk about money, not fantasy, but reality. Social media makes you think you can take $100 to $100,000 in 1 month. That is arrant nonsense. Real traders focus on percentage, not screenshots. A good trader makes 3% to 10% per month consistently. Now, that is really powerful. Let me show you what that really is. For example, you fund a $1,000 account and you make 5% of the $1,000. That gives you $50 in a month, and that equates $600 in a year. If you fund $10,000 and you trade to make 5% in a month, that gives you $500 in a month and $6,000 in a year. Now, professional traders think about trading this way and they identify how they can scale into trading accounts like $1 million and above. This is how real traders think, not jackpot, but process. Scams, fake gurus, and red flags. Now, let me protect you because forex trading has so many liars. Here are red flags that you should be able to identify and protect yourself. 1. Guaranteed profit. If anyone guarantees you profit, you want to run for your life. That is because in forex trading, there are no guaranteed trades. Guarantee simply means 100%. That is with a level of certainty. In trading, we deal with probabilities and not certainty. 2. Fake screenshots. Screenshots are very easy to take. As a trader, you always want to ask for live trades, track record, and risk disclosure. No losses. If somebody tells you they never lose a trade setup, they are lying. In fact, they're telling some heavy lies. Losses are part of trading, and real traders are ready to take losses as much as they're ready to take wins. However, on the long run, they want to ensure that their wins exceed the losses. And finally, number 4, lifestyle marketing. If all they show you is cars, money, houses, and women, you want to be very careful. Real traders show the chart. My honest advice to you. Now listen to me. I'm talking to you not as a trader, but someone who genuinely wants you to win. Forex can change your life, but it can also destroy it. It depends on how you treat it. You must be willing to learn, practice, lose, adjust, and stay consistent. No shortcuts, no magic, and definitely no lies. Now, here is my final answer. Can you make money in Forex in 2026? Yes, but not everyone will. Not because they can't, but because they won't do what it takes. If you're still watching this video, then it tells me something. It tells me that you are not here for jokes. You truly want to win. So here's what I want you to do. If you're serious about trading, comment below, I am serious about trading in 2026. And also, like this video, subscribe, and click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. This channel will train you and also provide you free educational content, free insights, and also free trading updates. Always remember, your future is not decided by motivation. Your future is decided by discipline. Thank you for watching. My name is Sam Keys Forex, and I'm always here to help. See you on my next video.